Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY centerpiece decor using only Dollar Tree products again. Using 3 of these tumbling tower games, hot glue, and paint. So you're going to section them apart, making 6 groups of 8 for the front and back pieces. So there's 8. You're going to make 6 groups of 8. And then you're going to make 6 groups of 6 for the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to just make 4 rows of 3. Then you're going to glue the 6 groups of 6 first together, like so. Okay, so after you're done gluing them together, you're going to have 6 of 6 and 6 of 8. So 2 by 4s, you need 6 of them. And 2 by 3s, you also need 6. And then you're going to have 4 of these little columns with just 3 on them. To glue them together, we're going to work on the sides first. So you need these 2 and 3 of these. So you're going to line it up. Like this. I'm going to take the other one and it goes in the middle. And then this last one right here. You're then going to take the other side and put a strip of glue. And then just connect them. So you're going to repeat this with the other 2 sides that you have and then the 2 by 3s that you have. Okay, so now we have both sides. So now we take 3 of the longer ones. So you're going to take one of the sides and exactly where the side lines up, we're going to line the longer ones up on the other side, on the opposite side. Like this. And then you're going to connect the last part inside. So what I'm going to do is like that. So your crate should look like this. So we have the two sides and then the front and back. Now for the bottom, you can either glue some more of the Jenga blocks. I didn't want to open another pack. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take a cardboard . So I have the cardboard. Glue just the corners. Then you're gonna obviously paint this. I used paint that I actually found in Dollar Tree in the craft section, white. Then you can fill it in with however you want. So this is the final product. I decided to give it another coat of paint, white. White paint. I picked up these white and silver flowers from the holiday section in Dollar Tree. These silver pine cones, and I wanted a hint of red, so I added that as well.